Hello viewers, in this video we will learn how to convert an image to a PDF file. So, how do we do this? Let's get started. Open any web browser, type I love PDF in the search bar, and then press the Enter key. You will find its official website. Open the website. Scroll down the page and find the option labeled JPG to PDF. Click on it. Click on Select JPG Image and choose a JPG file from your device. You can change the page orientation from here. You can add more images by clicking on the plus sign. And now select another file if required. To start the conversion, click on Convert to PDF. After processing, the file is ready for download. The download will start automatically. If it doesn't, please click on the Download button. Now you can check by opening this PDF file. These simple steps can help you convert an image to a PDF. Your problem will be resolved. I hope this video is helpful for you. See you in another video. Goodbye.